Okay, now we are going to practice one powerful Shinsei Kaizen movement. We call it as inner healing workout. There is a couple of practices in Shinsei Taiso. The first one, I already uploaded it in the first part of it, but I'm going to do part one and part two here now. Let's check that. Let's start with the part one. Okay. So you keep stand there, and in a normal stance, this is our grounding. So we start with the grounding. All exercise we start with this position. Close your eyes and complete focus on what you are doing. Now breathe in, breathe out. Two, breathe in, breathe out. Then again, last one, breathe in, breathe out. Now close your feet. So from there, you close your feet in this position and look forward, then breathe out. Now again, drag your leg and bring it to the next leg, position here. The moment it's reach here, you breathe in. Then palms down, then you step forward. The moment you're moving forward, you can move your palms down. Then bring your right leg, other leg, breathe in, step forward, breathe out. Then the breathing pattern is when you do this movement, breathe in. Then when you step forward, breathe out. This is how it works. Okay. Now, this is part one. Now we're going to show you part two, how to do it. Part two, inner healing, Taiso exercise. You start with the same, really breathing in and out. Last one. It here. Now what's happening here is right leg back. So you'll be in this position. We start from this position in the part two. Take your the left hand back, and this arms will be here in this position, close to your heart. This is the first step of this part two. Then step forward, breathe it out. It's like you're pushing something with that energy. Also, you feel that energy. Now, when you are bringing the leg, look at the leg. You take your leg and place it next to the other leg. Immediately, it changes. This one goes back. Then step forward. You breathe out. Then what's happening on the backhand? You can bring it here. When you do it here, we are swapping. Remember, this arm is going to place it here at the root chakra. This is actually placing like this, right? Then it's forward, then you push forward, pushing your palms. This is the stance you'll be able to, right? Now what's happening is you are changing it here. This is the position. Now I'm going to show you part two, full movement. After the grounding, you take 3 groundings. The last one, in a forward stance. For that, you can click now. Then you take the ending part, 3 times of 3 movements of grounding. Then last one. Now you are done with the inner healing Shinsei Taiso, second part. So when you practice this, it's one of the powerful movements that you can practice in a short time. It's very easy. Then I also wanted to suggest how to start with the session. Practice the movement before you add the circular kind of changes you make. Practice the movement first. How to do that? First of all, you stand there, then you focus on movement. You can hold your arms on your hip. Now you practice this. Back, you're starting in the stance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will help you to take this journey very well. So remember this, practice this step by step. We have a lot of techniques in Shinsei Taiso. It's a therapeutic exercise pattern. We are starting just from the beginning. I just wanted to show you how these things work. So far, thank you.